this is a grackle. In specific, it is a common grackle, and I think they are incredibly underrated birds. There's quite a few different species of grackles spread all throughout North and South America, but the common grackle is mostly seen in the more eastern and southern areas of mainly the United States. Now, despite their corvid-like appearance and what many people think, these guys are not actually corvids. They are not related to crows, ravens, or jays. They are in the grouping icterids and are more closely related to things like orioles. The common grackle has quite the stunning iridescence on top of those black feathers, and both the male and female usually do have at least some level of iridescence, with males usually being quite a lot brighter and having more blue, green, and purple than the females do. And the juveniles are usually quite a bit less iridescent, with more of a dull brown matte coloring, whereas the adults, especially the males, are very, very shiny. They are quite social birds, often being seen in rather large flocks all together, and while they are somewhat migratory, a lot of the population is stationary in the same place year-round, with the more northern populations occasionally migrating down more southern during the colder months. The common grackle is very opportunistic. They are omnivorous, meaning they will eat pretty much anything they can get their beaks onto, and in some cases that makes them considered a pest because they will eat crop seeds, causing a bit of problems to farmers. However, they are also responsible for pest control, eating the damaging insects that would also destroy the crops. However, in most regards, they are considered to be just entirely a pest, and to be fair, they can be quite damaging to crops because they just love seeds and grains. They also are known for doing a behavior called anting. Now, these guys are not the only birds that do this behavior, but it is quite common within the common grackle. Anting is where birds will on purpose go find an ant nest and disturb those ants and kind of put them in their feathers, where they spray their formic acid, which is a defense mechanism unique to ants. That formic acid, instead of harming the bird, will act as kind of a natural pesticide to the bird, getting rid of any feather mites or other parasites that could be found within the feathers and cause a lot of problems for the bird. So, by doing this anting, the grackle is actually taking care of any other pests, and when they're done, they will just kind of shake the ants out, and so the ants fall back to the ground, and the grackle flies away completely pest and ant free.